Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 7th of November. Sagittarius, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Can I put this down a little more? No, I cannot. I can't do that for you. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius, let's go. We have Baphomet coming out first. Duality, half human, half animal. Well, Sagittarius, you are half animal, half human, aren't you? The archer, the man with the, is it a horse? You could be connected to a horse. Yeah, Baphomet is duality. Sagittarius, Capricorn. Who else? Is a, wait, you, Chimera you call it? Half animal, half human. We have Illuminati. Yeah. You and Capricorn will be the two for real. I think they did a list of like serial killers and evil people in history. I think the signs were Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. Was the most when they tallied up all murderers, all cult members, everybody. Yes, I'm getting Sagittarius. I'm not sure what you sell yourself into, but Baphomet, Illuminati. That means it was accepted. It was accepted. I don't know what you apply for. It was accepted. Illuminati, Baphomet. See, a lot of people will try for summon Satan. A lot of people will try for get into the industry, and when them try for summon spirits for help them elevate, them get very scared and run away. I'm getting something is accepted. I'm also getting just a fun fact. If I'm getting some more Hell's Angels, I'm getting, I could be very wrong, okay? But this is just, listen, hear me out. Oh, something just dropped. Okay, so I should see this message. Alright, I'm getting something about two type, or I'm getting two, you see if a man or girl and I say I'm affiliated with Hell's Angels, it's not Hell's Angels. That's the first thing. Also, to my knowledge, when them are Hell's Angels, them, we're not talking about them girlfriends. Sometimes them girlfriends would be very slutty, clubby, tattooy. Them wives don't stay that way. I don't know if you're there with a man and you're in a Hell's Angels, but me getting you don't look nothing like that. You have no tattoo, you look like a lawyer, basically. Also, me getting something about, you see if them, or something about a metalhead, metal people, usually the real one them usually plated ears. Them don't wear earring. Them don't wear jewelry unless it's plated. Yes, them will have tattoos. Some of them associated with Baphomet. You see if that fucker walk around with tattoo, plated ears, piercings and all of these things, but he mostly talk about Baphomet. Them are the one them will bring the children to the fire station if the children get lost. You see if that fucker talk about Hell's Angels, he more into dog. And him they're closing the garbage bin outside. You see if him in a that, they might have tattoos, but the tattoos is obviously like you never have enough money to finish it. Also, them associated with skull. Real Hell's Angel, yes, them are skull and bones, them are blood clot Baphomet, them are Satanists. The Satanists them one day them nice. Them one they very friendly. Them will talk about anything. When them always are referred to Lucifer or Baphomet, them are the nice one them, but them will do weird fucking shit. You see the one them will walk around with dog, or them will walk around with obviously bald head, like skinhead, as in skinhead tattoo up every blood clotting, and them associated with skull. Them are the one them will traffic woman. Hell's Angels, real one them will be like, you're selling pussy? Yes, I'm selling pussy. How is business? Business is very slow. I asking God to send me an angel. You know what, let me be a first supporter. Them man there, usually them girl there, when the girl them around them, a girl them who pass around. Garbage bin is closing. We're getting something about that Baphomet. When them associated with the garbage bin is closed. Yes, skull. When them a skull, no, that are the one them what will corrupt. The one them are kind of referred to as like Satanism and them things there. Them now just get an innocent person and corrupt. You have to already be corrupted, to my knowledge. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius. So, Baphomet, we have Illuminati. We have Satan. Garbage bin is knocking outside. I don't know what the fuck is happening. I don't know who in there right now. I'm hoping it's not anybody trying to take refuge for shelter because it's cold outside. And God knows more no one be in Canada. I know anybody in Canada homeless and I could have helped them. Anyways, Baphomet, Satan and Illuminati. I'm getting something has been accepted. We have beginnings. I'm getting ready to start a new path. I'm also getting somebody just became homeless. Somebody homeless? Ooh, sorry. Destiny swap. Sagittarius. You use the bestiality, beast. You use an animal. Half human, half animal was used for this. I don't know why I want to say this. I'm getting you put a dog down yourself. Because that was the only way for unlatch something. One more. Evil. Let's go. We're going to go with the classic tarot card. Let's go. Sagittarius. I might can zoom this out, you know, wait. Let me zoom it out a little bit more. Is that better? Is that for you? Let's go. Sagittarius, first card out is the Hierophant. I'm getting something is accepted. Illuminati, Baphomet, Satan, evil, beginnings. I don't think, I'm not sure if something is about how evil you are or how evil you're willing to be. I'm getting a Hierophant. That is the all high one. Alright. We're getting, it could be a cult as well. The Hierophant can represent a cult or organization that has many followers. Alright. We have the Queen of Cups. We have a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We're getting something about marriage. Are you getting married to this woman? Or somebody, this woman getting married? I'm gonna tell you this, Caucasian women, I'm gonna tell you this, you hear? And I don't mean to fuck up your shit, and you can believe what you want to believe, but I'm just telling you this for save your trouble. Cause Taylor Swift is going to be a divorced woman with 13 cats. So there's the thing I'm going on the internet, how, what's your name? Kyla, they post, hey, what do you think I am? Don't you know that he was my man? Boy, I chose to let him go, so why do you that? It can't make me like I'm hurt when I'm the one who said I didn't want it to work. Don't you forget I had him first. What you thinking? Stop playing me. You want a man in don't know. Now is your chance. Right? So let me tell you this shit, right? Since we say these two cards together. Brody, Taylor Swift do know her boyfriend black girls, right? So me don't know how you as a white woman I go there with a white man, fiance him. Because let's be honest, Taylor Swift is fiancéing him. And then allegedly you go throw a shade against him ex. You know him ex black? You know, there's some white man who does not date black girls. Them go Spanish. Them may even go Asian. Them not go black. The skin color, the hyperpigmentation is, and the attitude and the struggle. They can tell you when you're with a black girl you feel stressed. Maybe it's because of slavery that your fucking ancestors put us through. That's why you feel so much fucking pressure when you're there with a black girl. Maybe this is the era of slavery around you. Anyways, right? You don't know, brody, your man fuck black woman. Me just say, Kyla. I don't know what's your name. Kyla. What? Not Kyla. What's your name? I don't know what's your name. All I can say is, girl, that not gonna last. You think Travis and Taylor Swift are gonna last and be a husband and wife and married? Brody, him fuck black girl. Him don't fuck white women only. Like Leonardo DiCaprio. Where if you left one, you're there with the other one, you can't feel bad. Brody, you jump from a race to a different race. and you end up marrying your own race or proposing to your own race. You think that it's going to be a marriage where him never lost off another girl? Brody, your man fuck black girls. To me, if me and Kyla, it no matter if them get married and have a Indian wedding, Brody, your man fuck black woman. That now last. There's a different psychology when a man fuck a black girl than him fuck only certain girls only. You have to understand that. So good luck with your relationship. We will see who have the last laugh. Oh, anyways, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and we have the Hierophant. Beginning is supposed to get married. We say destiny swap. Did somebody swap destinies with you using an animal? Or the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting what's planned. 3 people plan it. I'm getting 3 people plan for where you're off. 3 people have a plan for swap your destiny. We're getting with a Taurus. Or we're getting something where you were supposed to get married, but the man end up marrying another girl. A Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, it could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm getting that was the agreement. Or I'm getting you're agreeing to marry somebody, but I'm getting you're not cutting off communication with the person you decide not to marry. Okay, the Fool card. The Fool card is freedom though. Are you free from a relationship? You're free from a marriage? Did somebody call off the wedding, then break up with you, so you say, oh, I'm free now? Because I'm getting the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is telling you she need to get married. No, I don't know if you're engaged to her. I'm getting when I make wedding plans and I talk about this wedding, and right before, I don't know if somebody's left at the altar. Because I'm getting when I make arrangements to get married, this couple, I'm getting somebody just bail on you. They've just left. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. A man don't fuck a black girl and then just there with a white woman propose to she and say, you know what? This is what I like. This is what I want to wake up to. Every time I have sex and this girl has my dick, this is what I want. That's not how it works. Even with men on a whole, if you take out skin color. And I say it work. And if him can't talk, Brody, the internet is going crazy and I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go ahead. Brody, you don't find that suspicious? Selena Gomez never did date black. She did always date white. So at least if she did jump from one to one, they were all consistent. Ariana Grande was diverse. So she was in the middle. She could date Macklemore and she could have dated Big Sean. And not every white guy black girl, if you know that. So sometimes white women, when you're walking with your white men, you should know him don't want a girl. Some of them don't, some of them do. And when you do, your attraction is open. You don't just your own kind, and then you fuck a black girl, and then you say, you know what, life is better with my own kind. You might deal with her, but you're gonna cheat on her. Because that's not what you're sexually stimulated. Some people are not stimulated by black women bodies sexually, especially hyperpigmentation. Usually white women, them vagina or them nipples are usually lighter than them skin color. We have hyperpigmentation. It's going to look like a Hershey's Kisses, right? So even starting it off alone, even visually, it's so different. Brody, you gonna make that man convince you? You gonna convince you like how Big Sean convinced Jenny Aiko. Let's go. Queen of Cups is clarified by the Star card. So I'm getting something about your ass, showing your ass, the star. Somebody wanted to be maybe you were supposed to marry a star. You were supposed to marry this man. I'm getting this woman wanted to be a star. This woman wanted to marry him. I'm getting she wanted the spotlight on her. I'm getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The Hierophant is clarified by the Two of Wands, yeah. We're getting a marriage, a partnership, duality. But we're getting somebody I get married to you, but them not committed to you. Them committed to somebody else, Sagittarius. Maybe somebody had to humiliate you greatly. Forget somebody else. Come literally getting, you left somebody at the altar. I don't know, I'm getting like you leave somebody at the altar for tell another girl say, I was supposed to get married today and I never got married, I want to be with you. Because I'm getting something drastic. See, there's a celebration here. Or I don't know if a man just get married and after him get married a day later I'm at your house. The lover's card, you're Gemini. You're somebody in love with you. Or somebody's in love. Sagittarius. But I'm getting it was arranged, it was an arrangement to bring these two people together. I'm getting a Gemini, I'm getting Taurus, and I'm getting Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. King of Swords clarified by the Fool card. I'm getting a Bail. Yeah, see? We had the Fool card twice. Like you're running to some... Maybe you were blocked from being with the person you're supposed to be with. I'm getting right up to the point you're supposed to marry this woman. You say, no, it's not right. You don't feel right about it. I'm getting you run into somebody. Maybe you running from a relationship and somebody else running from a relationship. I'm getting you literally ran into your soulmate. You can run into somebody. You might even bump into them. I don't know. I'm getting you run into somebody. The Fool card is clarified by the Hangman. I don't know. Or you tell somebody when you meet them a wedding was being planned and you had doubts. Sagittarius, I feel like you sacrifice. I feel like you bring somebody right at the finish line. I feel like if you're a bachelor, you told a lot of women, say, I want to find a girl. I get it when you come down to the two, you reject one, show this one attention. That's like you're the bachelor, you reject one, you choose the winner, and after the show, you left her for the girl where you never choose. That's how it seems. But I'm getting destiny swap. So I'm getting an Earth Illuminati. Maybe when you marry somebody, everything went down. You're well tied up with them. What is their fortune? Somebody might have a bad lucky fortune. You have people who come from broken homes, which inevitably create broken homes when you mix your fortune with them. It's not that you are a bad person or a cheating man. For some reason, you just cannot be with this woman and you don't know why. It could be the fact of the trauma or of the energy she come from a broken home. Then you have people who come from broken homes, but they're black sheep of the family who end up step out and create a new generation of a home. Broken homes build broken homes. Your mother is a single mother, chances are you get a girl pregnant and you're not going to want to marry her. Because your mother was a single mother. And your mother never made sure to your mom, I'm going to say your mother because she carried a child. To your mom, being a mother was more important than having a man commit to her. But then after you were born, she saw that she still needed a man to commit to her. And that was even more important. It's more important for make a man commit to you than for make a man impregnate you. And at no point, nobody can tell me that it's the other way around. Whether you're poor and I get married or you're rich and I get married, the baby don't come first. The ring and the marriage come first. You can't commit to giving your money for this child and spending him life with you or spending him life co-parenting you with the child, but he is not willing to get married. He's saying that marriage is paperwork, so is a birth document that he created. And you did not have a boundary to not create it. You're getting your hand tied behind your back. Let me get some of these and we'll leave it here. Sagittarius. Ooh. Ooh, look, Sagittarius. I don't know when you fell, but you fell. You were on the floor. Oh my God. We have twin flames. Yeah. I'm getting, yeah, you're gonna run into somebody. Literally. We have seduction, attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, third party interference. Now you're there with a man who used to fuck a girl that's not your race and you catch him and watch porn. Of the girl of the race him used to fuck. And you can pass it off and say it's not cheating, so it's not a big deal. It is a big deal. Him wed what him not attracted to. We have hand of cards. taking a chance, risk, being strategic, options, not showing your hand, and gambling. One more. And we have heart with a key. Welcoming, love, meeting the one, opening your heart, getting together, and perfect. Something is perfect. Or I'm getting it fit as perfect as a glove. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Sagittarius. Bye.